What is going on, peeps? Joshua here, and check out today's mission. 2006 Sporty 883. It's my good buddy Larry's, and it is time to do some maintenance and tuning up. Hopefully have enough time for a little ride today. So we're going to do some spark plug changes and get the primary and secondary oils swapped out and get some fresh petrol up in this thing, and should be good to go. So stay tuned. I'll show y'all some clips from the progress. This isn't going to be a step-by-step. This is just going to be merely a video showing a couple clips here and there. I'll catch y'all soon. Alright, there you go, peeps. There's the old plug, and new one's going to go in, and you can see the gap on that is huge on the old one. So definitely time for some new plugs. Always a reminder, do your tune-ups when the manufacturer recommends. I'm gonna get back to it. Got some more work. All right, there you go. Spark plugs and wires are done. On to the next mission, peeps. And it's time to get some fresh fuel in this thing. Pour 4 ounces of oil into the oil filter before reinstalling. Well, got Larry's Sporty all fixed up with some fresh oil and some spark 'em up plugs. Get it out for a little scoop, but check this out. This is how you know a proper rider. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. For casual riding, you really should not be using your rear brakes, peeps. But yeah, got the big uns out. Yep, beautiful, beautiful day out here. And here, after a brief break, we're gonna get back on the road.